Hi guys and welcome back. So I wanted to show you this gadget that I just bought from AliExpress and I think it's really handy. I thought about it a long time before purchasing it, but it works better than expected. So it came in a hard case. Here it had two little ears. One broke when shipping. You have also the option to buy it in just a regular cardboard box. I bought it with this box because I thought that maybe it's somewhere near a Pelican box. This is not the case. It's just a very cheap flimsy plastic box, as you can see. So let's see the product which is inside. And it's that magic turbo blower something jet engine. You can find it under multiple names. So it comes with a USB-C cable in order to charge it, with extra nozzle, the device itself, and a plastic box with some foam. I mean, it's useful for transportation. I'm not sure how long it will last, but oh well, it's here. So for those who don't, I don't think there are people who don't know this device because it's everywhere, basically everywhere you are logged in, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere you see commercials about it. So basically it just blows air. It's a fan blower, wind blower, dust blower, regardless of how you want to call it, it just blows air. So it's a mini fan, basically. I was thinking multiple times if I should buy one or not. I didn't think that it has the power that it is advertised with, but fortunately it has. So this is the main thing why I made this video. You have to be really careful, and I will need some light. The light doesn't work. Okay, so there are multiple models available. Firstly, you have to look here to have these dots. If it has lines, then it won't be powerful enough. I saw a lot of reviews that are saying this is not powerful, is not as in the commercial and so on. So the one with lines, horizontal lines, it's not as powerful as this one that has dots. And also another thing, there is also one available with dots which has 8,000 it was, yeah, I think, yes, 8,000 milliamp hour battery. This one has 4,000 milliamp hours battery, but the motor itself goes until 140k. So the one with 8,000 battery goes until 80k, or let's say 100k RPM. So this is the most powerful version that you can get. It's very light, it's 3D printed, and it's very smooth for a 3D printed thing. It feels very well in the hand. It's not super light and not super heavy. It's just how it should be. It has two nozzles. This one is wider, as you can see. I'm using this one mainly, and the nozzle are held in place with some magnets. It has screws on one side and magnets on the other side, so you can just plug the next one. Here you have a button, you can see now it's full charged, and also here it has the charging port. So it's fully charged. I use it a lot since I bought it. It's still fully charged. I hope it works. the battery stats. If not, maybe I will charge it later or after a few days. So the thing, there is a thing, because firstly when I bought it, I thought that maybe it's not working. Once you press this button, it will start and it will work. As you can see, so you don't have to keep it pressed. The thing is, here you can set the speed. So for example, if I'm turning it on, you can turn it on off from here, but it's still on, it still drains the battery. So if I just rotate this thing, it will start to spin. So in order to turn it off, you will have to press this button. Not to drain the battery. It goes on a very high speed, 140k RPM. It's a lot. So let's see. I don't think it's needed to go full speed, but we can try to see at least the sound. Yeah, so I think there's a lot of dust now in the air. Yeah, it's a very useful tool. I just use it for a server that I bought and it was full of dust. It blows the dust. I can't even describe. I will attach here some footage that I have from my media server, and it was just on minimum speed. Okay, so I think now let's say the power of this device, it's very useful. I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm not even sure. I think it was near maybe 50 bucks, but not even. I think it was somewhere around 40 bucks. So I think for 40 bucks, it's a great device to have in hand. I've cleaned also my PC with it, and you can basically clean anything. So yeah, I definitely encourage you to purchase it if you need something like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Cheers.